I love that the weather's getting warmer and the chickens get to go. Oh, hey, ladies! Look, they're all running. Look, they see Papa Mike, they come running. But I'm so glad I get to take the chickens out and they get to have some warm weather. So we're going to give them a treat. Yeah, ladies, you got a treat coming. All right, hold on 1 second. Yeah. Let me clean some shit off. Yeah? Yeah? Alright. Hey, you need to back up there, Cluck Norris. You're getting awful close, dude. What's up, Cluck Norris in the house. Oh, wow, you guys are bobbling. Alright, we're going to give you some mealworms, some tomatoes. Alright, let me stand my big ass up. Alright, mealworms, tomatoes on plate. Oh yeah, you guys are ready, right? Alright, back up. Back up. Alright, come on, ladies. Come on. There you go. Alright. Let's get a couple more ready. While they're distracted over there. Some tomatoes. Hey, Afro. Hey, Applejack. Yeah. Alright, a little bit of mealworms on there. Alright, hey, look, you need to back up. We're trying to do this equally. Everybody gets a share. Alright. Let's see here. Oh, shit. We need more areas to put stuff up. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's another one over here. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna set this up right here. We're gonna do some, ghetto filming. Alright. Let's see here. Let's do this. Make sure my ass crack ain't in the camera. Alright, guys, I'm trying to hurry. You guys are going insane. Yeah? Alright. There's a couple more mealworms, ladies. Enjoy. It is the end of winter feast. There you go. Alright. Oh, shit. Alright. There we go. There's my happy ladies. Yes, enjoy. Go ahead, Applejack. And then the lonely Cluck, we'll hook him up with a little bit of something. Just because he's our resident yard pterodactyl. Well, I guarantee I'm going to have to edit this video. But I wanted to give you guys an experience of what it's like on a daily basis with the flock. There you go, Cluck. There you go, buddy. There you go. There you go. You big yard pterodactyl. But yes, alright, ladies, enjoy. I love you guys. Keep being healthy and laying eggs. And Dad's going back inside the house. It's nice and warm. Get all the bugs in. Do what you gotta do.